In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new table and measure in Power BI using filters. This process is a fantastic skill to add to your Power BI toolkit, enabling you to streamline your visualizations and reports by focusing on the data that truly matters to your specific needs. Let's dive in and make this task as simple and efficient as possible. The first thing you'll want to do is open Power BI Desktop. Once you've got that open, direct your attention to the Home tab at the top of the interface. This is where you can find the Enter Data button. Clicking this will allow you to create a new table from scratch if you need to input data directly. However, in our case, we're going to derive a new table from existing data. So let's move on to the Data view, which you can access from the left-hand pane. With the Data view selected, focus on the Modeling tab, which is right up there, along with the other tabs on the ribbon at the top. In the Modeling tools, you'll see a button labeled New Table. Go ahead and select that. This action opens up a formula bar, setting the stage for some data analysis expressions, or DAX, as it's commonly known. DAX is incredibly powerful and essentially allows you to create new insight by leveraging your existing data in dynamic and useful ways. Now, in this formula bar, you'll need to type in your formula. Though it might sound daunting at first, once you get the hang of it, DAX opens up infinitely customizable ways to manage and analyze data. I suggest starting with a simple expression, such as creating a filtered table from part of your existing data set. So let's say you're interested in filtering your data on a particular column. Type in something like filtered table equal filter existing table, column name, as specified value. Replace existing table with the name of your current data table, column name with the column you wish to filter on, and specified value with the criterion you're using to filter the data. For instance, if you want only the values where sales exceed a certain amount, plug that in as your filter condition. After you've keyed in your DAX formula, hit the Enter key. Power BI now gets to work creating a new table based on the filter criteria you've set up. This new table will appear in your Fields pane under the Fields list. It's a newly generated table, dynamically created from your original data, but honed to display only the data meeting your filter conditions. And there you have it. We've successfully created a new table using DAX with filters. With this new table, you can now perform further analysis or develop meaningful visualizations that target just the insights you're after. As you practice and explore more, you'll find that the potential of what you can do with these functions is vast, allowing you to harness your data's full potential. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more on Power BI.